Hello. Not my normal walking area. I am downtown. Um, of necessity, I had to be down here because I had to get some documentation. But I haven't been on in a while, so I thought I'd come on and check in and see how everyone's doing. I did end up getting sick, so I have been stuck inside for over a week now, and today was the first day I could leave. I've got my mask here. But I am happy to be outdoors, even not happy about the circumstance. Well, I think I am happy about the circumstance. But I will be walking over to Bicentennial Park, which really is quite lovely. If you've never been there, you really should check it out. I love their feature of their outdoor museum where it goes through the history of Tennessee from prehistoric times all the way up till now. So, and they always have something interesting. If I was with the kids, this would be something we would stop and look at until it was all gone, the train, especially my son. But just wanted to check in and say hi to everybody and wish you all a great weekend. I know for us it's cold this weekend. It's been flurrying on and off for the past hour or so. And I know some other places this weekend it's going to be much more than flurries. So be safe, stay dry, stay warm, and I will check back in with you soon. Oh, hold on, there's something cool here. They always have something interesting going on. One time I was here and people with the children, and there was a group of people LARPing in medieval gear. It was great. And today they have some sort of a tent set up, which is really cool. So, see if I can get closer. I've got wood stacked up. I love exploring. Let's see if they have a little bit of a sign to explain what they're doing. They don't. There's a very cool little bushcraft thing they've got going here. Canvas tent set up with cedar. If I get closer. Yep, those are cedar logs. You have a fire pit. And all the wood to keep a fire going. Not sure how warm that whole thing would stay in actuality, but fire and a tent to keep the elements off of you, a place to cook, and a reliable source of fuel is kind of all you need to survive outdoors. Oh, here we go. 18th century living history demonstration area. Very cool. All right. I am going to head over to the farmer's market to see if the Jamaican restaurant is open so I can get myself a beef patty. Have a great day.